Bring the truck, bring the trailer, bring the whole operation. You want to buy a property in the country on a few acres, and you're not looking for just a home. You want infrastructure.
What could we see from the highest height? What good are wings if I'm afraid to fly?
This place was built to handle weight, movement, and volume. This isn't about more space, it's about control. Your time, your pace, your property. No neighbors in sight, which is amazing. You're only 25 minutes away from London. You can't recreate properties like this.